hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. 26 is iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium. 35 is bromium, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium. 41 is niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine, xenon, cesium, barium. 57 is lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium. 66 is dysprosium, holmium, erbium. 69 is thulium. 70 is ytterbium. 71 is lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium. Osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury. 81 is thallium, lead, '83 is bismuth, polonium, astatine, radon, francium, radium, actinium, thorium. 91, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium. Fermium's 100, 101 is mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium, rutherfordium, dubnium. 106 is seaborgium, borium, hassium, meitnerium, darmstadtium, roentgenium, copernicium, niobium, fluorovium, moscovium, livermorium, tennessine, oganesson. Yeah. Thank you.